Hello, my name is Amit Kumar Jana. Basically, first time this is my expo and I am presenting my stall Simium Beds Private Limited. Basically, it is the poultry feed manufacturing company. We are producing not only feeds, we are producing the diet of poultry. All feeds are not diet, but all diet are feeds. Okay, we are presenting three kinds of brand. First one is balanced diet. It contains highly protein, balanced fiber, balanced nutrition called balanced diet feed. Okay, second quality is fiber diet. Fiber diet that implies the balanced fiber. We are producing exact balanced feed. This is for integrator feed. Any kind of integrator can take this feed with a proper balancing, proper nutrition as per their requirement. Pricing also varies as per the nutrition, as per the content. And third one is the Hiran. Hiran implies our Sonali bird feed. It is has two kind of feed, Hiran plus and normal Hiran. And that's it. And this is our first Poultry Expo, and we are 1 year company, and he is our another director Sujit Senapati, and I am Amit Kumar Jana. Okay, we are from Midnapur, and our main plant, our own factory is there in Midnapur. Okay, so very good, nice. First day we are too busy. We are extraordinary. Second day also quality customer came, and they share their knowledge. I proud Poultry Federation, and thank you for Poultry Federation. All of you are thankful to me. Okay, thank you so much.